Although restrooms represent one of the smallest areas in a facility, they often need extra attention because they can be difficult to clean. The following will show the daily procedures to follow when cleaning a restroom. To start, put on the required personal protective equipment. Before you begin, gather the necessary cleaning products, including disinfectant cleaner, glass cleaner, toilet bowl cleaner, floor cleaner, and microfiber cloths. You'll also need consumable items such as toilet paper, paper towels, seat liners, and hand soap. Before you enter the restroom, knock, announce yourself, and prop the door open. Then, close the restroom for cleaning. Next, set up wet floor signs. Check and refill hand soap dispensers, paper towel dispensers, and toilet rolls. Apply toilet bowl cleaner to interior of toilets and urinals. Then, apply a disinfectant to the exterior of toilets and urinals. Apply disinfectant cleaner to all sinks, countertops, and frequently touched surfaces. Next, clean the mirrors with a glass cleaner and a blue microfiber cloth. Wipe exteriors of dispensers and then wipe sinks, countertops, and high-touch surfaces with a green microfiber cloth. Spot clean walls and partitions with a green microfiber cloth. Using a toilet brush, clean the interior of toilets and urinals. Wipe down the exterior of toilets and urinals with a red microfiber cloth. Using different colored microfiber cloths in the restroom helps prevent cross-contamination. For example, you would not want to use a cloth to wipe the toilet and then use the same one to clean a door handle. Next, empty all trash cans. Tie the trash bag and remove the liner by pulling it straight out. Never push down trash with your hands. Once emptied, replace the liner. Next, thoroughly sweep the floor. Then, damp mop the floor using a floor cleaner. Be sure to change mop water frequently. Do not mop the floor with dirty water. After the floor has completely dried, inspect your work. Then, remove wet floor signs and open the restroom. Remove personal protective equipment and wash your hands. Remember to immediately report broken or malfunctioning dispensers and equipment to your supervisor. Check the supply closet for inventory and stock your cleaning cart for its next use.